So we're back here. I wanted to show you something before I moved on to the segment and linear counts. I had put my soil prep was accidentally put into the plantings or planting schedule. So I made a new folder by using this plus button up here in new folder. And then what I'll do is just go ahead and drag it in there. So we have the ability to drag and drop takeoffs and create new folders. You can create a subfolder if you like, and you can also just create a folder, which is really nice for organizing your bids. So enough of that. Let's get to linear. Linear is basically like anything else. Segment is something like if I was a landscaper and I wanted to do sleeves where you have a start and a finish every time. I'll do that first, and I'll just call it a 4-inch sleeve for now. And we'll leave it flat. We could, do all kinds of stuff with wall heights, sloped segments, hip valleys. We have all kinds of stuff in this. But for this, just for tutorials, we're just going to use a simple segment. So just count, stop. And you can see I'm not double clicking. I'm just clicking with my left here and my left here, left here. And that just does your segments for you, okay? Again, if you hit a mistake, you can hit backspace. And when you're done, just hit escape. Now, linear is just going to be like mainline pipe or wall framing or anything like that you might do. And again, you have all this wonderful opportunities to do different types of measurements. Anyway, so we're just going to go ahead, and I like a lot of this. I mean, it's going to be so useful when you're creating trenches or you're creating framed walls or masonry walls and you want to know the square footage. There's just so much here, guys, but we'll keep it simple for this. And again, we're just going to kind of count like we're just counting away. And if you make a mistake, you just hit backspace and then off it'll run. All right, and when you're done, hit escape. If you want to continue, hit the letter N and you can continue. Okay. All right, well, that was a simple, quick video. Thanks for watching, and be sure and use your folders to organize, okay? And you can drag and drop stuff away from one folder into another, or however you want to organize your bid. And again, this will be really useful when we get to reports. You're going to want to organize your takeoffs in folders.